Hello and welcome to TechSide Skill. My name is Greatness Washington. You're welcome to your free website design training once again. In this video, we'll be talking about your domain name. What is a domain name and how do you buy a domain name? We'll be talking about that. So in the last video, we talked about how to host your website. So if you've not you've not watched the video on how to host your website, I advise you go now, check out the video on our YouTube at TechSite Skill, and you watch the video, and yeah, you learn for yourself how to host a website. And if you've not watched any of our previous video on how to create the website that you intend to host, you still check out the video on our YouTube, and you'll get it. Or you chat me up, and I'll give you the video directly. So, in this video, we'll be talking about a domain. So, what exactly is a domain? So, a domain is the title of your site, and a domain makes your site easily identified and findable online. It's a title of your site and makes your site easily identifiable and findable online. So think of it as the title of your site. It's a unique title that only you have. You're the only one who has the title. It's not shared by anyone. For instance, you have www.google.com. Nobody shares www.google.com with Google. You have www.facebook.com. Nobody shares facebook.com with Facebook. So you need to find a unique title for your site that no one is already sharing, no one's already using, something unique for yourself. It's similar saying your business name. As long as no one is using that same business name with you, yeah, you could use that for your domain name. So once you get that name and it's unique, one of the ways to do that, I'll show you exactly how to check if the name is taking or is still available for yourself. So that's the domain name. Having a custom domain name is also important as it helps your site looks professional. Now, if you don't have a domain name, a custom domain name, your website customized with your own website, your unique website name, it doesn't make you look so much of a professional, or it doesn't make you look like a professional company or business. It makes you look like a starter or a learner or someone who is just crawling and starting up. So if you really want to look professional, you want to get a domain name, and oftentimes domains are same as brand names. So your domain has to be connected, it has to be related to the name of your company, and it has to be something simple. For example, techsiteskill.com. So my company's name cannot be techsiteskill.com, and then I then use a different name like siteskill.com. Fine, it's related, but it has to be friendly, so when people remember your name, they can easily identify the website URL. It doesn't have to be very difficult for them to remember. It has to be simple and easy to remember. So that's what you think of as a domain name. It's simply a title for your website to identify your website online, or to identify you online. So let's go straight to creating a domain name or buying a domain name. Okay, so right here on your website editor, your Wix website editor, you click on the settings at the top left corner of your screen, and then you click on connect domains. Okay, so what you click next is buy a domain name. So here we will type in the unique address we would use to access our website, which is wig4niger.com. Let's search and see if it's available. Great, so it's available, and we click on get it. So here, since we have not upgraded our site, we don't have access to a free domain name. So what we will do for this training is to click on you can buy wig4niger.com now. Okay, so right here we need to select the duration of our domain. So we click, we're paying for 1 year. Click on the continue button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Do that, it should take you to the next place where you put your contact information. Okay, so since you're the one responsible for hosting the domain name, you would fill this form with your own personal information, and then you check the tech contact info and also admin contact info. So it will use your personal information to fill in the tech contact information and the admin contact information. So ensure the tech contact information and admin contact information is checked. and then once done, you click on the continue button at the right corner of your screen. Okay, so ensure you click on the private registration, which is recommended for $9.90 for securing your domain name from some hackers. So do click on the public registration, otherwise your website won't be secured, your domain name won't be secured, and the information attached won't be secured. So click on private registration, and then confirm the dollar. It's $25.85. Once you're done and you're okay with this, you click continue. Okay, so here's the checkout page. Go ahead and fill in your information. Confirm you're paying for 1 year, which is $15.9 plus $9.90. So your card number, your CV number, and other necessary information. Ensure you're using your MasterCard, either dollar MasterCard. So put in the information. It could be your company information or it could be your personal details. Confirm the price for $25.85. You click on the purchase button, the submit purchase button. Your payment is secured, so you don't have to worry. And read through all the necessary information underneath the button to make sure you're clear on what this is about. And once you're okay with everything and you understand the information and the process, you click on the submit purchase button. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for learning. In the next video, I'll show you how to access your website from the Wix dashboard. Yeah, see you on the next video. Happy learning.